Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and make sure you have that notification bell on. Enjoy! America, cutting through the coding. You know how I do. A little shot from the workshop here. Some of the guys getting down on the pipeline workshop there. Some of my one-on-one sessions. Man, can I tell you about the one-on-one session? The one-on-one sessions are awesome, guys. I truly love the one-on-one session. It's genuine. Not saying that the workshop isn't genuine, but I'm really able to give you everything that you're really wanting out of that one-on-one session. You know, a lot of guys are coming from all over the United States. They're seeking different things, but similar to the same things that they all want to learn. And it's this pipe welding, man. And I go through it all, from the bead, you know, the techniques, all the way to the hot pass for your fill and your cap. I'm going to make sure that you're learning what you want to learn. If you're coming to me and you're getting my services, well, dang, man, I'll tell you what, you're going to leave with exactly what you came for. And if not, maybe even more. Because what I offer is a mindset. It's not just welding. I learned how to tackle this lifestyle and keep this lifestyle going. And there's a lot of people out there that want to keep it going. And hey, I got your back 100%. I'm here to teach you guys. So come on down to the workshop. If you haven't hit me up already, do it, man. Wally's Welding World at gmail.com. You can find me on the web at www.theweldprofessor.com. And if you're into social media, you can find me on other social media, such as my Instagram as Wally's Welding World, and also the Facebook, Wally's Welding World. Man, if you guys haven't heard about me, it's all good. I'm nobody special, but I am somebody out here willing to teach you how to go out and tackle this lifestyle. If you're wanting to become a rig welder, and you're wanting to live the rig welding lifestyle, well, look no further. Wally's Welding World, the Weld Professor, could set you straight. I'm basically teaching these guys how to pass these tests out here. The branch, the bell, the 6G, basically whatever you want. If you're wanting to learn how to pass this test uphill or downhill, I'm willing to teach you. I spent 17 years in the welding industry mastering my craft, and I love it, and I'm passionate about it. And I definitely want to let it overflow and let you get a little bit of sip of that too, because this glass is nothing but just for thirst for you guys that want a taste of it. I tell you what, man, if you're interested in this, look no further. If this is something you desire to do and something you're very passionate about, well, you found the right video. You found the right person. I'm Wally's Welding World. They know me as the Weld Professor. I am nobody special, but I might be special to you to teach you the skills and techniques that you need to get where you're going. Man, I'm all about helping people out. And if you haven't known that from day one, then you're missing out. But it's all good. You found me now, and the opportunity's in your hands. And all you got to do is just seek me out now. You now know how to contact me. Contact me. What are you waiting for? I'm going to show you all the skills and techniques you need to learn to pass these welding tests. Okay, yeah. I didn't go to school to learn welding. Nope, I went straight to the field to learn how to do this welding. And I've been in the field welding for a long time. And I'm very, very, very excited to show you what you can learn to carry yourself out in the field just like I did for many years and make yourself a substantial income. A lot of the guys that come here do come from all over the United States. There's over 30 states that I can list that people have come here to my workshops, to my one-on-one sessions, to learn from me. And why is that? Because they know I have a gift for them. And the gift is welding. I got this gift for welding to teach you. I'm here to close the gap, guys. That's right. For all the years and experience that it took me to learn this, I'm here to teach you it. And I think that you could go far with it. But you know what? The investment has to start with you. You have to get serious. You have to buckle down. And you have to go after it. That's what I did. Without having a plan and without having the ambition to conquer your dreams, you're not going to get it. So listen to me now. Time is precious, and it's very valuable, and it's running out, and you might not have tomorrow to really think about where you're going. So the moment is now. The chances are now. The opportunity is now. Everything that happens and wants to be done should be happening now. Yes, it's going to take time to develop this. I'm not telling you you're going to learn this overnight, but what I'm going to equip you with is the right knowledge you need to know to pass these welding tests. And trust me, it'll be an overload of knowledge, but you're going to leave here equipped with that knowledge. And you're going to go on out there in the world to carry that knowledge with you for the rest of your life. Not just for a day, not just for a week or a month or a year, but for the rest of your life. What I'm instilling in you guys will never leave you. Tell me this, is the investment to better your future worth it? Or do you not want to invest in your future? Trust me, the only investment nobody can take to you or take from you is the investment you make in yourself. So act now, make the investment in yourself and go somewhere. You could be on the pipeline right next to me. It's on you. I hope to see you soon, guys. Until then, we'll rap to you later. I'm the Weld Professor, Wally's Welding World. Hit me up.